Good day, everyone. So next we are going to proceed how we finalize our financial statement, because previously we're already completing this step. The first step should be the templates. Yeah, so next step will be the transfer of financial statement trial balance item to the template, and then the next one is adjustment, the debit, the credit, you know, under additional information, which means that all transactions is yet to be recorded. So we already completing that one. So now our step is to complete the financial statement. So the first thing, we tackle the statement of profit or loss, right? So statement profit or loss, we have sales, which is credit. We have debit 1,800 to 50, which will be minus. You are going to get net sales 8850. Alright, so for the cost of sales, we have to debit, increase your cost of sales, and we have to debit and credit to get the real purchase, the final purchase, and then return out, which is reduce your cost of sale, and this is your add, this is your reduce again because it's can receive, and then you reduce your closing inventory. As you can see, we have color, so you can calculate faster by looking at the color. So if this debit, you just add whatever debit, whatever credit you have to minus. So you're going to get a total amount of cost of sale 38050. So you match with the net sale. So your net sale, which credit, must be minus with the debit in terms of cost of sale, known as a gross profit, because credit is greater than the debit. So actually this is gross profit 42,000. So we're completing our accountancy, finalize our commission received, which is 3,000 because of 2790 plus 210, we get 3,000. So total revenue for this accounting statement is 45,000. Next, we are going to finalize our expenses. So this one, 2,600, there's no changes. And then rental expenses actually 12,000 only for the Babe Kidness for the year, and then the insurance after adjusting with 1,090, and then wages and salary will be 1,500. Then your depreciation 6,005, 2,000, 6,450, 397, 120, 2,000. Giving together all the expenses for it is 47,157, and then this is total revenue, this is total expenses. So total revenue match with the total expenses, credit and debit mean you have to minus. Then from the, you can realize that your debit is greater than your credit, so you get debit balance to 157, known as a net loss. So I cross the net profit, it becoming net loss. So once you get net loss, what will you do? You add to the owner's equity net profit slash with the loss, which is to 157, must be debit. This is debit, this is debit, mean reduce your equity. So any when the business is making profit or loss, all of the profit or loss belong to the owner's equity. So you add to the owner's equity. That's this one you're going to minus. And then you're going to complete your statement of financial position, starting with the office equipment with the 10,000, cumulative depreciation 4,000 last year, and this year another 2,000, which is 6,000. So you're going to get carrying value 4,000 only for your office equipment. Motor vehicle 50,000 minus 18,000 and 6,004. As you can see, you have already the colors. You can just simply add and minus easily and faster. So you have total of your net asset 29,600, and then you're going to complete your current asset, finalize your trade receivable 19850, which is debit, you add, and then this is allowance for impairment 397, which is credit, you have a minus, you add again so to finalize your bank, and then you close the inventory, commission receipt, prepaid insurance and rental. All together you're going to get total current assets. So as I don't have enough space here, I just get the total and add to the total non-current asset to get the total asset. This total asset must be debit because asset is a debit balance. All right, so now we are going to complete owner's equity. Yeah, owner's equity actually 65,000 last year, then is income loss, so you're going to reduce to 157, and then there's a drawing for the year to 750. So altogether owner's equity now is 6093. Yeah, so you have loan, you add up, and you add up also your current liability. As I have not enough space here, I just add up all the equity, non-current liability and liability, current liability, to get one total of total equity and liability, credit balance of 103,443. Ta-da! See, it's balanced, right? Total asset equals to total equity, and liability, total debit equals to total credit. All right, so that's how the magic of preparing our financial statement in solving the financial statement question for accounting in sole trader form. All right, thank you. See, very simple and easy. Thank you.